Happy and healthy greetings to one and all. Delighted to welcome you all to the online admission procedure 2020 at Symbiosis Institute of Technology, a proud constituent of Symbiosis International University with 10 years of progressive and successful legacy. Today's agenda is making a decision to be a technocrat, selecting branch of preference and choice, basic flow of admission, this is formal procedure of admission, merit listing at SIT and confirmation from admission. We are proud to announce we are ranked 43rd amongst the top 100 universities in the country in recent NIRF ranking 2020. We are proud followers of Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. It is nothing but one world, one family. You are going to be a part of very green, clean, eco-friendly campus for 4 years of your lifespan. It's your association with multilingual, multicultural, very happening place of learning. It's very difficult to see through a difficult times and pass that particular time without able leadership. Here is our director and dean who is researcher, educator, leader, speaker, motivator, counselor, etc. etc. With such leaders, you are able to see through and pass the times to reach the successful and glorious stories. You can be ahead of time to train your students for their unstoppable learning and training. We could switch to specific modes of conducting the learning and training. We actually could conduct the exams, then postponing it by taking care of the health of our beloved student. Outcome of such tireless efforts is nothing but the glorious stories, and here we are proud to announce our beloved student, Mr. Avi Shah. His second year student, I specifically should say, could bag ₹20 million funding for his maiden startup from Rewardport Corporate Solutions Private Limited. Friends, may it be any particular aspect of technology, may it be data science, artificial intelligence, may it be IoT, hardware, software, may it be construction, automotive, aerodynamics, anything. Nothing is possible by studying only one discipline. It's multifaceted, multidisciplinary education nowadays. We need to be familiar with the tools and technology. Need to be handy with the technology and need the tool in advance. To facilitate certain things, there are tireless efforts required for continuous years to put certain things in place. We are having esteemed placement and internship companies coming at SIT and conducting off-campus drives for our students. They need to be very well prepared for the profile of their interest from futuristic aspect and then multidisciplinary facets for which they need to be trained at SIT. This is achieved through internationalization at SIT, placements at SIT, service learning at SIT, global immersion program at SIT, etc. etc. So may it be the Indian Army or very high tech telescopic lab at Caltech, California. We train our students well in advance to be comfortable at various campuses. Through the internships or through the study tours, may it be to Mercedes-Benz, Volkswagen, Allianz at Arena, to name few. They become comfortable and start their career straight away. So it's time to start with the actual admission procedure we are going to follow at SIT. We are at stage number 4, that is merit listing. You already have registered with us. You are given an entrance exam, that is SIT EEE. Your document verification is going on. There are few instructions to pass on to you as far as document verification is concerned, and then we would be in the stage of merit listing. So henceforth, how we are going to go about the admission procedure, that is we are going to discuss in this particular session. Basic criteria we are going to take into consideration is your score in SIT EEE and preference of branch stated by you to us. Your score will be considered to merit list you according to the branch preference. For that specific branch, your score will be arranged. The tie-ups will be resolved with the help of mark score in mathematics, physics, and we may consider your 10th aggregate if required. How actual execution will take place? For the available branch of your preference and the seat we are available with at SIT, you will be arranged in the merit list. You will get the notification through email to your email ID, which is given to us through the registration. The allocated seat will be known to you through the offer letter. You need to complete the procedure, that is payment formality and confirmation of the seat within stipulated time. Friends, it's very important to specify at this particular juncture that we generally do this particular round of counseling in the physical mode. So there and then candidate have to decide upon their choice and make the decision. Herein it's very difficult for us to wait for a longer time, so you have to make a quick decision. So to decide upon, in case you need any help from our side, may it be SIT or may it be discipline, you can talk to our counselors. The contact details would be shared with you in the offer letter and links would be given to you so that you can talk to the counselors and make your decisions as quick as possible. It would be very, very difficult for us to hold the seat for longer amount of time. This is opening you the world of technology with a number of opportunities, placements through internship, global immersion program, placements, service learning, etc., etc. Once you confirm your seat, this for the specific preference, sometime we again feel that we should talk to the counselor for the opportunities of that particular discipline from other perspectives also. You are free to do so at any time, even after confirmation of seat. If the seat is not getting confirmed and the formalities are not complete, we assume that either you are waiting for the higher preference or you want yourself to be waitlisted. Please do not go for waitlisting. Invest your time in making the decision quick, faster, so that your learning can start at its earliest. After admission, you would be able to download your provisional admission letter. Once the seat is confirmed, once your eligibility is clear, you can look for the hostel formalities, the booking of seat in the hostel, so that you would start receiving the notifications from us regarding the commencement of the semester. Basically, that would start with an induction program. So we welcome you to the admission procedure. Thank you.